Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I am sharing farmhouse Dollar Tree DIYs. For this first DIY, I'll be using a fall mason jar from Dollar Tree along with this scrapbook paper. I just got a lot of scrapbook paper off of Liz Moore's website, More Decal and Decor. So I'll link that in the description box for you guys. It is double-sided, and once I started tracing this jar, I realized I really liked that light blue and white checkered pattern instead of the floral that I was going to use to start with. So I'm just using my good old glue stick to just put this scrapbook paper right over the top. So you're going to see in this video, I'm using a lot of the items I have just had for quite a while in my craft stash. I'm using these rub-on transfers. These are from Amazon. I'm going to be actually using quite a few of these in this video today. I just think they make items look more high-end, especially when you are using Dollar Tree items. Using my little crafter stick, these ones are on the glossy side as far as rub-on transfers, so I don't love that, but they are absolutely so cute. So I don't think it matters either way. And to top this off, I'm just adding that twine and that bow back to where it was to start with, and this is what this one looks like when it is completely done.
Small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Next one, I'm using this little wood piece. This is also from Dollar Tree. So I love these wood slices, and I picked up one or two of these and have yet to use either of them. So I thought that I would go ahead and just add a rub-on transfer. This one is actually from the Dollar Tree, and it was already cut and ready to go. I just kind of save every little piece of any sort of rub-on transfer or sticker I have left over, because I always think that it can be used one way or another. And then that is all I did for this one. This would be super cute in a garden, or if you are just a garden lover, just hang it up in your kitchen or your dining room. So for this next one, a galvanized mason jar and some rub-on transfers. These are also from Dollar Tree, and I've had them for a while. I have not seen any new rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, which is just it's a little disappointing, especially when I love these so much, and I usually pick up a ton of them and I use them up very quickly. So I was lucky to find another one of these that I had in my stash. So I just use that crafter stick. They usually come with the nicer rub-on transfers from Dixie Belle or the redesigned by Prima, and I just always keep them around. You can never have enough for rub-on transfers, but you can use anything. You can use like a Cricut scraper or just anything. You could probably use the back of scissors and it would work for rub-on transfers. I also decided to top it with this chicken. I think this one is really cute. This is also from Amazon, and it came in a pretty big pack. And that's how I usually justify spending a little bit more money on Amazon for rub-on transfers, is that honestly, even if I spend $15 or $16, I'll probably be able to create 15 or 20 different DIYs with them. So this next one, this is also from More Decal and Decor. She has some really cool craft kits, but sometimes she sends out, or not sends out, but she has up for sale mystery items like mystery shapes or scrapbook paper, and I'm all about those mystery items. I think they are fun to receive in the mail, and I knew whatever I received from her was going to be cute and fun anyways. So I just decided to paint the back of that chicken with the Waverly chalk paint in white, and now I'm going in with the moss color by Waverly to go over the top, and then you just glue those two pieces together. I decided to add this to a board or this sign from the Dollar Tree, and then I decided to just add some rub-on transfers along the side of this chicken just to top it off, and these are also from that same pack from Amazon.
But tonight spend my coin for sure.
And these rub-on transfers seem a little bit more glossy on camera. I'm not sure why, but once it is all hung up, trust me, it looks way better in person than I think that it does on the camera. But yeah, once that was done, you just peel them back. And if you do mess up, you can always go back, lay that little piece over the top of the rub-on transfer and just kind of redo it. It's happened many times to me. I've messed plenty up. You can fix them, I promise.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
One, I'm just using a square wood piece. This is also from the Dollar Tree. And I have another craft up above. You're going to see that in a different video. I kind of just separated these. I just wasn't 100% finished with some of my projects, but I wanted you guys to see these cute ones. I decided to actually put a lot of these on a shelf in my craft room. Kind of just needed a little refresh and update. And I think some of these items are absolutely perfect because they are smaller. So I'm adding another one of those Amazon rub-on transfers. These pigs they just really got me today when I was making these crafts. I think they are just so cute. And obviously I love farmhouse and anything that I can do that is inexpensive just to update a couple shelves or my tier trays. I can do that. And I already had all of these items in my craft room already. I already spent the money on it, so I didn't feel like I had to run out and buy new decor. And I've also been really good about grabbing items from, or actually I'd say grabbing, but I'm not grabbing items from like the Hobby Lobby sales. Although those 75% off sales are always really appealing. That happened a few months ago or a month or so ago. I saw so many people post videos and Instagram reels and Instagram stories, and I did not go to Hobby Lobby. I was so happy that I didn't, honestly. I just have still so much in my craft room to use. Now, I did find this little wood wreath form at Dollar Tree recently. I did pick this up recently. I will say that, but I thought this was kind of neat. It just reminded me of like a large embroidery hoop, but I didn't actually have to use the embroidery part. I decided to use another piece of scrap of paper from More Decal and Decor's website, and now I'm just gluing the back of this wood wreath and just putting the scrap of paper on the back side. So I knew I wanted to use a scrap of paper because I have florals already on hand that I knew would look perfect. So I'm using some lamb's ear that is from Walmart and just some florals that I had from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure when I picked these up. I know it has been a little while.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me.
This little wreath was pretty easy to put together. I did have to add some twine to the back side of this since it did have scrap of paper along the back, so I couldn't just throw it up on a door, but I think this is absolutely adorable, and it just took a couple minutes to put together. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!